We know you're curious about the cabins on the Margaritaville Islander, so how about a cabin tour?
This is the premium extended balcony.
This is pretty high up on the ship on deck 10. It's room 1018. On the left on the way in, you'll see the closets. We'll look in more detail at those later. Here on the left is your mirror, your desk, some drawers, your phone. We're going to get back into that as well. Man, that does look like an extended balcony. We're in a breezy balcony on this cruise, and it is far, far smaller than that. The room is also shaped differently than our cabin. You enter the bathroom from right beside the bed, which is a different configuration altogether. It's two twin beds pushed together to make a king-size bed. You can split them into twins if you like. And of course, I can't help it. I got to go out and check out the extended balcony. And what is the first thing you notice? Well, yeah, you notice it's much larger than a normal balcony because I already told you that. It's longer going from the ship out. It's also wider, but we don't have a normal balcony railing out there. We have this tall 4 panes of glass, and you can get up over them. I'm about 6'4". I'm holding the camera at about chest height, but my head isn't sticking up over the top of that. If you have toddlers, that's going to keep them from getting over the railing. Like, seriously, that'd be a phenomenal balcony to let toddlers go out and run around. So let's check out the bathroom, and this is a typical Carnival Spirit class, or, of this era from 20 some years ago bathroom, in that we don't have the glass doors. We have a shower curtain. I know there are a lot of people who really like to have the glass doors, but if you're a little bit larger, having that shower curtain can help you fit in there a whole lot better. We've got a shampoo, a body wash, and a conditioner. Typical single sink, water, shelves, toilet, towels, washcloths, hand towels, cups, extra toilet paper, and a trash can down below. It's everything you really need for 1 or 2 people. Plenty of room there. So let's see, if we look in the closets, again, tons of room. There are a couple drawers at the bottom. You have the safe up at the top. You can, organize your things and put them in there. And notice there's not a great spot to put your luggage, because your luggage should slide right under the bed. There's plenty of room under there. Here you've got room to hang some things, some more drawers. By the way, I mentioned the safe in the other one. Put your passport and money valuables in there so you don't lose them. There's the life jackets up at the top, some more hanging space. So who doesn't need a desk when you're on vacation? Especially one with a little mini fridge up under it. And it feels kind of cool. And sometimes they're more like coolers. That did feel like a mini fridge to me. That drawer mainly just has the hair dryer, a little bench, and trash can underneath. You can see the outlets on the wall are fairly scarce. You have one typical US outlet, one European outlet, and that's pretty much it. So if you got a lot of stuff you need to charge, be sure you bring your adapters for those. If you like that extended balcony configuration, this could be the room for you.